going on YouTube? Hold on, one sec. Let me look.
Just do it.
One moment. All right, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Denver Beer and Oil. Things are gonna get a little different. As you all well know, the entire world is panicking, everybody's dying, airplanes are crashing, volcanoes are erupting, Yetis are attacking people, alligators are morphing.
But there's still oxygen and there's still fuel.
Also true. So here's the thing. We know you guys, a lot of you are gonna be quarantined at home all over the world. I know a lot of people watch this channel, maybe not as many as we hope, but regardless, we're gonna try to do some fun stuff for you guys and pump out some short daily videos, or at least a lot more frequent, to keep you guys at home entertained while you're sitting on the couch, stuffing your face full of Cheez-Its or canned food or whatever you're eating. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Let's watch these two cars have some fun.
Donut day.
We'll do a bunch, and then as soon as we're done, we gotta go in there, and I'm gonna get out of the car. And if the cops come and they start talking to people, I wasn't driving.
Okay. I don't know exactly what that guy's doing. Okay. I think we're clear. Rookie.
Fuel starving.
There's a knocking noise coming from his car.
He corded his tires.
They're already bad.
And mine's fuel starving.
Oh,
so.
Chris, you corded your tires? Yeah, come look. So, I don't think you guys have seen the video, but this now has an M5 LSD in it, and I have been like using that a lot. So,
Yeah.
oh man.
Yeah.
It's both of them. Look at the other side too.
Dude, you still got some donuts in you.
Yeah, I gotta drive it somewhere.
All right, we'll throw some different wheels on it real quick. Okay, well, let me go get some gas real quick. You switch your wheels out and we'll do it again.
Okay.
Thank you for watching our 3 minutes of jackassery. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click like, comment, subscribe. And in the meantime, while you're doing that, just know that we've got some pretty stellar stuff coming down the tube for you. YouTube, the tube. Datsun 280Z LS1 swap coming down the pipe. That's what I'm standing in. It's a shell now, won't be a shell soon, hopefully. Got a stroker, 4.4 liter, going into an E30. That's coming down the pipe. It's sitting over yonder.
Way yonder.
E39 M5 stuff coming down the pipe, for sure. 440 swap Mopar, definitely coming down the pipe. Pro charger on a C5 Corvette also coming down the pipe. There's some cool stuff. So we're gonna start pumping out some videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great night. Don't die.